In this video, I will show you how to change small letters to capital letters in Excel. So easy and simple way. Like we want to capitalize these all letters. So click here, type equal sign. Now type here upper. Double click on this function. Now select this one. Now close bracket. Press enter. Now select it and drag and drop. But if you change here, so it will reflect here. So to remove this effect here, copy and in the paste special, select this one, paste value. Now click anyway. Now if you change here, so it will not affect in this column. So this is the way you can change small letters to capital in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.